So,
Cool.
good morning, pure structure traders. Today is August 2nd, 2021. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500 gold and also oil. I'm going to give you some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels, and then I'll go over gold and oil for you guys. So with that said, again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. So for S&P 500 right now, I do got a level right here at 4404.75 as a level of support that we could continue to bounce from, and maybe retest our upside of 44.19. Did hit that measure move right there, and then we kind of came right back down. Next level below for me is 43.96, then 43.80.75. And then below that 43.66.75. Now if we get below that, got one more level, 43.56.25 as the next level of support, but we'll see how this market moves. With that though, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy to give you some of the minor levels she has up on the chart.
Okay, good morning. I'm so happy it's Monday. I have some micro levels here to have a look at from last night. And we can start with the bottom one at 92. That is such a micro peak. I don't know if anybody noticed it, but it's there. It's there for a reason. It's there to provide support in the bullish market. And it certainly did. Used it as a nice bounce way up. But let's not ignore the second micro peak yet, which is 95.75. You can see how the market went just barely above it, and then came back down, boom, and didn't even flinch to go below it, but used it as support for that continuational move up. So where's our third one? We are here. We are at 0550. The market went slightly below it, then went way up to it at the 19 area, and then hovered around it. But I want to show you something that's very interesting on the micro support, because the micro support tried to bring it down. Where is that micro support? If anybody can guess it, I'll give you 2 seconds. That micro support is 0950. That micro support is a powerful little bugger. It tried to bring it down past that 05 area, but couldn't. That's why it was consolidating around there, because that was a big battle. But the bulls won. It's using it as support. It's a good area to go long, which I am, and hope to get this through that little bugger of support 0950, and it should. But we'll see. The market does what it wants to do all the time. But if it does go through it, then I'm looking to take profit at the 014 area, which is before the high, but safely is before a previous 15 is the previous high from back in the day. So that's where I'm looking to take support. So I hope you all have those little micro areas marked so that you can study them and learn them. And let's make some money today. David, back to you for gold and oil.
Awesome. All right, good job, good job. So let's pull up a gold chart here. So moving over to gold for you guys, we did have a nice move to the downside. I think maybe we'll see a little bit more downside. We did touch one of our levels, 1811. We'll kind of chop between that area. Came a little bit deeper, and we'll put a level just kind of right up under here, kind of touching these 1808.3s. If we stay below, and I'm going to kind of adjust this line here just for a second, but if we stay below this level here, 1813.1, we actually could see the market try to retest 1808.3 and then 1808.5. Below that level, I'm going to have more of a major level down below 1796.9 and then 1794.9. So some good supports below. Now, if we break back above those 13s, look out for the market to try to retest 1815.9 and then 1820 to the upside. Let's go ahead and move over to crude oil. So crude oil here, pulling up this chart for you guys. We did bounce off a key level, which we may see some more upside movement, 72.90. Gonna see if the market wants to retest these 73.84s. If it can, want to see if it can break through that level, jump to the next level, 74.27. If we get below 73.84 again though, and we can't get through that level, could see the market try to pull right back down to 72.90. So could go into a sideways range between these 73.84s and 72.90s. We'll see next support below those 72.43 and then 71.30. But with that said, guys, let's go ahead and jump into these markets. Gonna wait for this open to happen.